Menopause is the second phase of every woman's life. Around this time, ovaries cease to function since the estrogen and progesterone hormones are not produced in adequate amounts, resulting in stoppage of the normally experienced menstrual cycles by females. As a result, the women around and post-menopause who suffer from various symptoms and also are prone to the consequences of depletion of the two hormones, which could be reflected as ill health in later years. Is the first ever elaborate nutraceutical product in Indian market for supplementation during menopause. An enriching health supplement containing natural ingredients including elimination the need of additional calcium, which is commonly consumed by 40+ women. The product was jointly unveiled by Preeti Zinta and Miss Nilakshi Singh Sharma, Manager Corporate Affairs, Big Brother Nutracare Private Limited. To build up the crescendo, there was a unique fusion Jugalbandi by famed artist Viraj Amar. Preeti Zinta has always supported causes related to women's health and women's rights, and with Free Lady Regain, it would be an endeavor to promote positive health in 40+ women. Preeti Zinta explained to the media the relevance of smooth sailing post-menopause required in today's context and need of suitable supplements to facilitate the same.
Well, I'm very happy to be associated with this brand, especially because it's talking about menopause, something in our society we barely discuss. Most of the women I know are mothers, and all the other women who are not career women spend most of their lives taking care of their children when they are young, their husbands all their lives. And very few of them are actually aware what's happening to them, and suddenly they start going through these changes in their lives when the children are probably in school or college and they're out of the house. They don't need their mother anymore. The husband is probably getting the best promotion of his job. All the wonderful things are happening in everyone's life, and suddenly the woman who has literally become the forgotten woman in the house is wondering, why am I gaining weight? Why am I losing hair? Why am I feeling miserable? And it's really sad that she doesn't know, a lot of times she doesn't know what's happening, and she starts going through depression. So I think this is a wonderful product to come, A, because it's natural, and B, because it will actually open that dialogue and create awareness between all the women that this is a natural phenomena that's happening, and it's called menopause, and it can be dealt with, and it can make your life very, very easy. I'm very, very happy and proud to be associated with this product because it is a very, very quality product, and again, I'm saying it, it's a natural product.